What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell. Let's see how many likes we can get on this one. But we're back on the Louise LDX, and we're going to swap out the original dog bone cups right here to some heavy duty ones. I really don't see nothing wrong with these. I just want them to match what I have up there in the front. If you can see these ones right there, there's the silver and the heavy duty. So I got these right there, right there. So that's your part number if anybody's interested. So we're gonna quickly take this apart, hopefully, and switch them out. So here we go. See if I can't zoom in a little more, maybe. I gotta slide this way a little bit so we can see what's happening here. All right, so first things first, take your bearings off. Maybe. Set them fine. If they pop off, just make sure you locate them. All right. So now we'll undo these 4 screws right quick. And this differential has I think it has 5,000 in it. That's what I put in there. I'm pretty sure I did. And that screw is not cooperating. Let me find something to get that out with. The screw is kindly stripped, so this one may not be going back in. We'll set it to the side for right now. We'll open it up. Like I said, it's got 5,000 in this thing, and it's gonna be sticky. And on these 2 gears right here, you have a shim. Maybe if you can see it on either side, looks like that. We'll set it up here out the way. I believe there's a shim right there. That goes with that. You see, this one don't want to come out for some reason. All right, there we go. Now get the little shim out. All right, see if we can't wipe the inside of this thing out a little bit. All right, now on the inside of this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there is a little E-clip in there we gotta get out and get back on some type of way, which probably won't be too fun. There it is. If y'all can see it or not. There's another shim in there. We're just gonna leave it right there inside there. I mean, that's a metal cup, but let's open our package up over here. Let's see what we get. All right, that's your original. That's the heavy duty. I think it just looks better. I mean, it feels a little bit heavier than this one, so if you want to call it heavy duty because it's heavier. Then we get 2 seals and 2 of those E-clips. Hopefully we won't need them. First things first, put this back in the hole here. Sorry if you can't see it. Figure out how to get this little clip back in there. That little bit of oil that's still left in there, it's kind of a little bit of a fight. But do your best to try to get it back down in there. I'm learning as I go right now, so. Alright, let me go get a light and I'll bring y'all back. Alright, so off camera, I got that clip back in there. I'm gonna tell you right now, that is I can't even say it. It's a pain. It's a big pain down in there anyway. So now, we'll put the shim back in there. Then we'll drop this gear back down in there. Just like so. Then we'll grab our set of gears back in there. Set that to the side for right now. And on to this one. Same thing. It's got a little clip. Try not to lose it. It will go flying. I'll set it to the side. Get your shim off. If it'll come off, if not. Alright, that's the second cup. This one back in, nice and easy. Sorry, off camera there. Try to make sure we got everything here. This little seal popped out. Get it back in there. Likes to pop out, obviously. Set it right there. Get your little clip. Hopefully this one's easier than the last one. Should be. Get a pair of needle nose. Perhaps a pick, maybe, to get it kind of started. Alrighty, that's on there. Now our other little shim and that gear. Alright, set that to the side. Let's fill it back up with some oil. Put some more 5,000 in it. let that kind of level out. Put your two halves together. Put a little light on it. Then put your screws back in. I am going to have to find a screw, so I'm not putting that strip one back in there. Get a couple of them started. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you want to see the video on how this comes out, I'll put it up in the top somewhere, and then probably in the description maybe. Yeah, so that's what that will be. This is basically just to show you how to put the HD cups in, and we might put it all back together if I can find another screw, but if not, like I said, you just click on the card or whatever it is for the video for how to upgrade from a ball diff to a gear diff. Alrighty, well that's it. HD cups installed. So again, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. Helps the channel. And they say if you want to see how this comes out, click on the video, and we'll see you in the next one.